Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.3-inch QLED screen spatial head unit for Honda code 28 to 12 years. Okay, it comes with spatial harness, so it's plug and play, and you can check it has a spatial harness. A code 8 power cable. Plug and play. It supports 4G, LTE. Okay, let me show head unit. It's date and time setting, music, and the radio. Search the radio stations, AM and FM. Okay, this is Bluetooth. All apps are here. Very fast response. You can change this theme. Okay, changed. And there is another thing, total 3. Okay, let me check settings. Connect Wi-Fi and support hotspot SIM card. It's built in They come with SIM card slot cable. Okay, let me check. You can visit our website belsee.com, belse.com, to visit us. Our latest item, latest head unit. Okay, and it's built in the Play Store. You can install applications for it. With Auto Link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And instructions, this is user menu. If you have any more questions, you can read in this. And it's built in the Google Maps. Also support other navigations. Let me check this DSP amplifier and check the settings. Boot device, Android 12 voltage, and memory, total 8GB, and storage, total 128GB. And boot device, you can check. You can put this factory setting, password 8878. And others, you need to set this break with 0 and save the head unit will reboot to save the setting. If not, you can't watch a video. This MCU and boot logo as this radius, other settings, factory setting. Okay, and steering wheel controls, display, sleep mode. Reset all settings. You can factory data set or settings. Okay. System, you can add the language. It's built in all the languages. You just choose it and choose your local language. Okay. Now let me show the Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. And you can check this Bluetooth and enable. Click search. Your phone will get the message. Please click pair. Okay, it's connected to your phone, and you can make phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth free phone call. And you can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with stream music from your phone. Okay, let me show the music. It's volume, and you also can control the volume by your steering controls. This DSP amplifier, balance, okay, this is music. Play music, USB. There are total 3 USB. Okay, this radio. You can search the radio stations and AM and FM. And built in the Google Maps. And the video, you can watch the video. It supports the PRP screen. Okay, let me back the home. And it's built in the Play Store. You can download the application from Play Store. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, just visit our website belse.com to visit us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.